Okay, I had to jump on here because, well, first of all, I'm not red because I'm frustrated. I'm red because I just did at-home microneedling. If you want more information, let me know and I will post about my skincare routine. But I had to jump on here because most people, I would say 95% of people that use the Westmore Beauty Body Coverage Perfector get amazing results. Waterproof, sweatproof, transfer resistant, like I always say. However, I do see a smaller percentage that has issues with transfer, that has issues with it not covering. So I just had to come on here to talk through some tips that I use so that I get the most amazing coverage for the body coverage perfector, Westmore Beauty, as well as staying power. So tip number one, you have to start with clean, dry, oil-free skin. Now, that means get the right soap. So, number one, this is on westmorebeauty.com. It's also on QVC.com. The Westmore Beauty Exfoliating Body Prep Wash. It is oil-free. It preps your skin geniusly for the body coverage perfector. It was made for the body coverage perfector. Next thing that a lot of women don't realize, go buy men's razors. See, there's no oil strip on there, so it's not going to add oil into your skin that you don't need. And men's razors are half the price of women's. So saving you a little money there. Third thing, men's shaving cream, Barbasol. That's what I use. Super cheap, oil-free, men's shaving cream. Another tip that I like to do is I do that whole routine. I wash, I exfoliate, shave, do all my stuff. I do it at night. And then I apply my body coverage perfector at night. I really put a good layer on so I get that coverage so I don't see my freckles. Then I put on just an old pair of sweats, kind of like what you would do with a self-tanner, but I do it with the body coverage perfector. So I put the sweats on, I sleep, I let all the excess body coverage perfector slough off in my sleep, and then the next morning I get up, I shower with just cool water. I just pat my skin. I don't rub it. I just pat it to get any extra excess off. And I kid you not, prove me wrong, it lasts me an entire week. That's how I get my body coverage perfector to last me traveling from Las Vegas to Philadelphia or Westchester, Pennsylvania, actually, for QVC and back again, and then still going strong. Whether I'm in the Vegas heat, which it's getting into the 90s now, or I'm in the 40-degree weather of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So please just try my tips. Just try this out and drop it in the comments if this works for you, because I've been doing this for years now and it's been like my absolute go-to to get it to stay for a full 7 days. Try it. Let me know. Drop it down below.